Are you interested in making your own broiler finisher feed at a reduced cost? Watch out. This video is for you.
Hello. In this particular video, we are looking at broiler finisher feed using orange peel. We're going to be faster in this particular to make sure we rush this to get to the point. Now, let's start immediately. Broiler finisher feed using orange peel, 100 kg feed. Now watch the peels. This is orange peel. Watch. The first step is to make sure you wash properly. After washing, spray and sun dry. You are sun drying to reduce the anti-nutritional value of this particular orange peels. What do we mean here? Those parts of the orange peel that is not necessary, that may have adverse effect on the particular livestock you are feeding. You can see it. Then this particular one is the orange peel and is different from this. This is good for feed formulation. When you want to formulate the feed, though you can use both, you can use this and this for feed formulation, but this is very necessary for feed to substitute the feed. Some of the nutrients, some of the ingredients you need in feed formulation, you need this. This is good for medicinal purpose. Organic medicinal value of this particular orange peel is enormous, and that's what we have discussed. Here I want to teach you how to apply it.
Now, for the purpose of our feed formulation, you spray it under the sun and allow it to dry to the moisture level of 97 to 98%. After drying, you then crush it to powder, and it is the crushed ones that we will use in this particular feed formulation. If you don't have a crusher, you can take it to grinding machine. All these people that grind corn for pap, you can take it to them and they will grind it for you. Then you make use of it to formulate your feed at a very reduced cost. This particular orange peel here is free, so it will drop your feed cost. Now that you have known how to process the orange peel and orange waste into feed meal, let's go back and start our feed formulation using orange peel. Thank you. Please make sure you watch this video till the end. That is the only way you can get the best. And at the same time, like, comment and share this video to reach other farmers who are in need of this particular content to drop the cost of feeding their poultry and livestock animals. Thank you for watching, and let's continue. Here you can see it is fully sun dried. This is completely dried right now. From here, please take it to your grinding machine. We can't include all here because I don't want this video to be too long. After grinding now, you start your feed formulation. So let's go to the feed formulation section right now. This is how the orange peel looks like after grinding, and this is what you make use of in your feed formulation.
Now what we're going in for. Now, broiler finisher with orange peel. Orange peel and waste. 100 kg. Now let's go there. I'm not going to explain most of all these raw materials again because I've explained them. We are going to start with orange peel. Orange peel is 10 kg here. Number one is orange peel. Orange peel 10 kg. Our number two here is corn, 55 kg. Let's use corn, 55. Please, if you want to know the reason why I'm making use of these figures, please you ask on the drop it on the comment section. I will answer you. The next one is this last dry grain. That's waste from local people that produce these drinks, local gin. After fermenting guinea corn, this last dry grain waste. Let's use 5 kg. It's a waste also. It's a waste. Number 4. Let's make use of GNC. If you don't know the full meaning of GNC, please drop it on the comment section. I will answer you. 5 kg. Number 5 here, we're going to make use of fish meal for us to get animal protein. Fish meal is 3 kg. Let's make use of 3 kg, please, so that we can use higher value. Then the next one is another plant protein. That is, let's make use of soya bean. Number 6. Soya bean is 7 kg. We have number 7 here. Number 7, we have used, let's make use of corn bran to reduce. Corn bran is a waste from corn. Let's reduce the value of the feed so that the value will increase while the cost of proteins will be cheaper. Corn bran here, because it's a waste, let's make use of 8 kg. Let's make use of 8 kg. Now, the next one is bone and meat meal. Bone and meat meal is for cashew. Let's make use of 2 kg. Then the next one here is number 9, blood meal. Another animal protein, because it's a waste. That blood meal is a waste from the slaughter. They pour it away, but if you go there and buy it and prepare it in your farm, it's going to be cheaper. So let's use blood meal. Is very rich in protein. Let's make use of little quantity, 2 kg. Then the next one is the other additives, that is salt, methionine, lysine, red oil. We're going to make use of red oil. Red oil is complete fat, 100% fat. So red oil, you're going to make use of 1 kg. All this one is 0.5. If you add up all this, what you have here is 100 kg. So now let's do the arithmetic, the calculation. This will give us 10. The percentage, crude protein percentage content of orange pea waste is 12%. So we're going to get 12 times 10 divided by 100, which will give us 1.2. Then we have corn. Our corn is normal 8. We're going to use white corn here instead of yellow corn. Yellow corn is 10%, while white corn is 8%. So let's make it 55. And when we're using yellow corn, it's very costly. Times 8 divided by 100. This is going to give us 4.4. Then this last dry grain, which is 40%. This is going to give us 5 times 40 divided by 100, which gives us 2.0. Now, let's make use of the meal, which is 40% anyway. So drop the cost also. 5 times 40 divided by 100, which will give us 2.0 also. That's 2.0. Then the next one is fish meal. Fish dust is 50%. That will give us 3 times 50 divided by 100, which is give us 1.5. Now, the next one, soya bean. Now, we're going to use soya bean is 48% crude protein. That is 7 times 48 divided by 100. 7 times 48 divided by 100, which will give us 3.36. Then the next one is corn bran. Corn bran is 10%. That will give us 8 times 10 divided by 100, which will give us 8 times 10 divided by 100, which will give us 0.8. The next one is bone meal. We call it bone and meat meal. Is 50% crude protein. I always tell you, if you don't know the nutritional content or nutritional component of all these raw materials used in poultry and livestock feed, go and watch it in my video. Check the video content to see the nutritional content of all the feed raw materials. You get them. So now, 3 times 50 divided by 100 is equals 1. 100 divided by 100 is equals 1. Blood meal is what? 90%. Then we give us 2 times 90, which will give us 180. 180 divided by 100, which will give us 1.8. That is 2 times 90 divided by 100, which will give us 1.8. That is all. When you add up all this now, add up. Well, after adding all, what you are going to get here is what? 18% screwed protein. This is 18% CP. This is a very good feed formula using orange peel and west.
Here you need to mix every ingredient properly since you are using manual. If you are using automatic, that is using machineries, the livestock feed mixer will do everything for you. But here, since this is for demonstration, you use your hand and mix every ingredient together to make sure that you can't separate anyone from the other. So this is what you need to do. Thorough mixing before you can now share it to the birds. You can see it. Then if you want to pelletize it, you can as well take it to the pelletizer to pelletize it. Now let's go to the pelletizing machine. In this process, all the raw materials as mentioned in our feed formula are arranged, mixed together and placed in the pelletizing machine. This is the pelletizing process where they form one particular unit so that the chicken can pick them easily. Remember that there is difference between pelletized and powdered feed formation. So in pelletized feed, they can pick them one by one. Now let's see how the chickens will enjoy this our feed. You can see that the chickens right from early stage of their lives, from 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, can still eat this based on the pellet size of this particular feed. These are 4 weeks birds. You can see them, how they are doing well. Please make sure you feed them well and let there be adequate water. Raise the height of the feeder and the drinker to their shoulder level to make sure that they eat well. This is all I have for you in this particular content. Please drop on the comment section what you think about this particular feed, what you think about using orange peas and orange west to make a feed. And if you have any other question concerning this particular topic, or you want me to create a topic or a content on pellet making machine,
Please, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do your best and subscribe. This is where I will stop with this particular content. Please, if you have any question, ask your question, give it a thumb up, like, share the video. Please, this is our global family. Share this video to reach other farmers and give it a thumb up, like the video. The more you like the video, the more the network shares it and extend the video to other farmers.